haven't got around to doing it.
That is the goofiest thing I've ever seen in my life.
What is going on, fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever since watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some military man third gens. Now, we've been talking on Instagram for a few months and they seem pretty cool. So there's a boat show in Charleston today and me and Michaela are gonna go. And I'm not taking Blue, I'm gonna drop him off at Andrew's house. But yeah, we're gonna go look at their trucks real quick and then hopefully have a great day at the boat show. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Horny men! Even hornier trucks.
Hey,
Can I have some of your tattoos, bro?
Yeah, sure. Let me get that one.
Oh, wait, hold on. Open the sleeve up. Ah, sweet.
It worked.
Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride.
Do I look rich enough?
Getting there.
Charcuterie board and wine, please. This is what rich people do. It's got like 10-inch subwoofers in here too.
Oh, the JL audio too. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm about to use the bathroom real quick.
Hey guys, I'm gonna turn the fan on.
Look at the pearl white on the motors, bro. That's how you know you got money. Cruising to the Bahamas. In our yacht. In our yacht, drinking some Busch Light, redneck style. He had a Gappy because it's fancy here. That was a $15 beer. But yes, Daddy really needs to buy me this.
Oh, MTV. This is my crib.
Yo, what's going on?
Yeah, so MTV, this is my crib. This is my full-size, weird-looking bed. I've got an awesome shower in here. And
There's no shower.
Oh, it's just a toilet. Never mind.
You have to sit on the
Look at the
toilet
mini
while you
sunroof. The mini sunroof.
Oh yeah, so you can open it up. So
Skylight.
You get some fresh breeze. You know.
What's in here? This your fridge? Oh wait, turn it on. The keys are right there. Turn on all the engines.
Yeah, I don't want to get kicked out quite yet.
Got some qualified captain merch. Been following that for a while. Man, y'all be rolling up on them things. Them things. Should I show 'em?
Yeah.
Should I show 'em?
Oh no.
Oh no.
It hurts.
Nah. If y'all around my truck, y'all be doing that on the whole truck. Dude, what the hell? What color is that? It's like a robin egg blue. That was cool. Alright, I gotta set the tripod up so we can all make out when we leave.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Now, are you gonna be to Smoky Mountain? Or you might not make it.
No, I'm gonna make it.
Alright, bet. And Gabe's gonna be there.
Oh yeah.
Wait, are these sixes or are these four?
Fours.
No. Never mind, I thought it was four.
Fours and threes, bruh.
These things are so wide.
Yeah, they're filthy.
Dude, having new forces is like the biggest flex.
Think
It
so?
is. Yeah, like new forces. But then again, like these are one-offs.
Yeah, that's kind of.
They're one of one.
I know, I fuck with these so hard. And I love the powder on the white, that's nice. But yeah, it's actually too cold to be doing some reviews right now, boys and girls, but we're gonna be fucking with their trucks in April, so best believe we're gonna be rolling together. Yeah?
Sir. Dude, you know what? Let's not zoom in on my front bumper. it's a little, you know, it's a work in progress.
5th gen swap on the way.
Yep. Yeah, he likes squatting.
No, you know what? It came like that, and I haven't got
That
around
is
to
the
doing it.
goofiest thing I've ever seen in my life.
I know. It came like.
Pennsylvania, not in Pennsylvania, they raise their trucks up. We have the lab.
This is a Pennsylvania truck.
Is it really?
Yeah.
From where to come from?
I'm not exactly sure. So
Pittsburgh.
probably around there.
You must be high if you think I ain't getting that. But this man bought the Variety Pack Sharpie to fix the curb rash on the brown wheels. If only you had regular black, you could have just been one and done.
I know.
I'm getting a gauge pillar too. I really love those. I don't even.
The handle's off. Your handle's seen better days, bro.
Yeah, that her fucking grandma broke. What? Carrie's grandma broke.
Damn it, Carrie! Bruh, homie is on a flat tire and a donut.
Yeah, that hurt.
Dude, I haven't new forces is like the biggest flex. It is. Yeah, like new forces. But then again, like these are one-offs. I fuck with these so hard. And I love the powder on the white. That's nice. SFH 440. You need to fix yourself. Heck yeah, here's the qualified captain merch. Boat ramp champs. Like I said, I've been following them for a while. Pretty funny. Do need to get their beer. Gonna hit up Oscar to try and get me their beer. I got a koozie and some other stuff. We didn't get as much stuff as we wanted.
No, we didn't get a boat.
But we did. Yeah, we didn't get a boat, but we did get canes. It was alright. The sauce was a little better than Zaxby's if you're from the South. It kind of tasted the same, just a little less strong than Zaxby's. And the chicken was a lot better, but the fries were definitely not as good. But
personal opinion, Zaxby's greater than Kane.
Well, she said that it wasn't before I put my opinion, so she's copying me, y'all. She's copying me. Harry the Potter sweater.
Me need a new sweater, so make a group. Go fund me for my clothing.
My name's Boots Girl. Me need money for sweater. Ham fam, it is the next day after the boat show, hanging with Dakota and Gabe. Didn't get too much content. It was actually really windy and cold, and I had somewhere to be, but nice seeing them and meeting them. If you're watching this, boys, much love for you guys. Hope you have great military careers, and Gabe, for you, hope you have good success in the civilian world, brother. We're actually on the way to go see one of our other military friends, Mike. You see him on the channel with the X3. He just got his truck all done up with a ported and polished turbo and all that stuff. I'm pretty sure he's pushing around 700 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna be doing a little ride along with him and review on the ALUMIDUTY, and it should be pretty fun. I'll pick you up when we get there. Gotta get that monster! Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back here with Michael, as you've seen on the channel before, and he just got his F350. I think he hit a few bumps and his stuff fell out some more. I mean, it already was off from a bumpy hit back in Mexico a while back, but he hit some more bumps and it made it go faster, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, so we're gonna let him talk about it and give you a nice little review and some ride-alongs and some sound clips, and it should be pretty fun. So, Michael, without further ado, what do you have done to the engine now?
Well, first off, what's going on, Ham Fam? We did a few go fast goodies, I guess you could say. We did a No Limit 64, 67 Stage 2 port polish turbo. We did a 10mm extra G stroker pump, No Limit piping kit, CCV reroute, all the EGR shit's gone. Kind of cleaned up a couple hoses in the engine bay, and it's right at probably, you know, we got new tunes and everything. We're right at 700 horsepower now, so 700 and about 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. So she moves for a big girl on 38s. I mean, it does.
We're on some chunky meats right now.
It'll run 0 to 60 in boosted forward drive launch in about 4.5 seconds. So,
wow.
To put that into perspective, I mean, a Hellcat will do 0 to 60, you know, on the track, perfect conditions, in about 3.7, 3.8. You guys are probably gonna ask, so we're gonna do a little cold start here and give you a little sound.
Carolina cold start.
Yes.
A little 38 degrees. Oh. Got back from the parts store, grabbed some stuff, and as you seen earlier, had some nice sound clips on the way there. But now we're about to get some cinematic rollers for you guys, and we're gonna let Mike talk about it just a little bit more. So the drivability is pretty decent, he still says, with the new CP3 upgrade. It doesn't really have too much lag because obviously the 64 in the front, and then that the back charger is what gives it that nice torque and everything still. So it's kind of like an upgraded internal turbo. It's not really like, right? Am I right? It's not really a big turbo.
Yeah, it's like a smaller wheel on the front side. for a quick spool up, and then on the turbine side on the exhaust, it's that 67 millimeters. So, you know, you still have that. It's not very laggy. It's still, you can still tow with it. That's the main reason I wanted it. You know, I pulled my X3, I pulled my boat a lot, so the drivability was huge for me.
And actually, Mike actually wants to shout out people for giving him his tunes.
Yeah, so huge shout out to my buddy Drake at Alatoona Diesel out of Atlanta. He actually hooked me up with some pretty good tunes. I had GDP tunes before. They were good, you know, nothing bad to say about them. However, the only thing, customer service is kind of lacking. So I got all the work done, and he talked me into actually switching to Proven's tunes. And so I did, and you know, I ran, they had a 64 68R file, which is, you know, it's 1 millimeter bigger than what I have. So it was strong, but I feel like it wasn't optimal. So I reached out to Proven on the weekend, mind you, and literally they got back with me. They said, send it, you know, data log your truck, send it over. So I did, and that was on a weekend. And Monday, before I even got off of work, I had a fully upgraded custom file for my truck. So huge shout out to them. They are great. Their customer service is, I mean, on point. I've gone as far as I can on stock fuel. You know, my stock injectors are maxed. I can't go any further. So as far as performance wise, we're pretty much done until the trans lets go, you know.
let's hope it ain't too long from now.
Yeah, let's hope, you know, but
this is a Bon Jovi transmission. It's living on a prayer.
yeah, it's been a great truck. I've had it for 80,000 miles now. It's got 130 on it now.
Wow.
So, and I've done nothing but just service it, and the truck has been absolutely amazing. I can't find enough good stuff to say about it. So
ALUMIDUTY's interiors are also on point. Like, you can update all these. He has the brand new, what was it, 21 style? Or?
yeah, it's the 21 style. We did I forget the website, I'll have to go look it up, but you update it via USB.
So that's dope.
Yeah, you can't get it off of Ford's website. They only let you go to like 3.0 or something. This is like 3.4 sync. So this is what comes in your new, you know, 2020 and up trucks, and it's it's a lot better.
And if you're ever into, what would you consider this, Lexington side right there?
It's like Gilbert side. Right,
this is Gilbert, Lexington area. If you're ever close to this area, hit up Charlie's shop. What was his shop name?
Yep. So my buddy Charlie Baird, he owns Palmetto Off Road, and he's the ones that he sourced me all of my stuff. You know, he hooked me up. So huge shout out to him. And yeah, I called him. You know, I was calling him and asking him about how to do this, you know, CB4 and stuff like that. And he was, you know, basically kind of walking me through it, because this is my first time doing it. So definitely, you can definitely do it yourself as long as you have a little bit of know-how how to do it. It's not bad.
All you need is a 24 pack and some time and some YouTube videos, and you're good.
So actually, funny story about the about the 24 pack. He is right. So you get you know, 24 pack, 2 buddies. You know, you got to start knocking this thing out. It took me 2 days to do this. So this is like 1 a.m. on like a Sunday. We get this thing knocked out. First fire up, we prime the fuel system. The truck bust off. You know, it sounds great. It's throaty. It's responsive. It's awesome. So we're giving it a few revs. My neighbors hate me, and we've noticed a little bit of black soot in the engine bay. So obviously we have either a loose down pipe or an up pipe. So my buddy Dylan is up there checking everything out with his flashlight and his mirror, looking all around, and I see him disappear out the front of the truck. And long story short, my man, he broke his ankle. He stepped on my Milwaukee Impact and kind of rolled it, twisted it right there, and this was all at 1 a.m. But all in all, huge shout out to all my buddies. You know, Charlie, Dylan, Justin, Christian, Drake.
I wanted to help. I had COVID at the time, honestly, when he started doing it. So
yeah, he was supposed to come over and help. He had COVID. That sucks.
I would have been there.
It's much cleaner. It's much more responsive. Like I said, if you're thinking about it, just do it. It's huge. You'll love it.
Yep. And now we're gonna get some little pulls here and there, get some drive-bys, and hope you guys enjoyed Mike's truck. Alright, show you guys a little 15. hauling ass for about 7,000 pounds.
See if it spins at all.
My steak. Ooh, he's on meaty claws. Yeah, he is. Running?
That's the bump I hit, and all the parts fell out from up underneath the truck.
Them dang Walmart speed bumps, man, them get you. But he did go back and clean up his mess like a good citizen. So he did leave all his crap there.
We don't litter. We don't.
Exactly. But
And thanks to my buddy, Charlie, right here, look at here. Bam. If you need the parts to fix the parts that fell off your truck magically, hit him up. He'll hook you up. Or if you need a turbo, factory turbo, it's perfectly good. You can get it too.
hit Mike up.
Or if you need a factory CP4, I mean, I have that too. It's also good.
Not that you'd want those. I mean, those are icky.
You'd want it. And don't ask about the Nitrous Express sticker. We might do something here crazy later on down the
Little
road.
200 shot.
I don't know.
But if you did like today's video, guys, make sure you drop a like and subscribe, and drop a comment, and let me know if you want more videos like this, because I think it's a lot more fun, and it definitely broadens my videos for you guys, and you get to see some cool vehicles. So if you are also in the South Carolina area, I don't mind driving up to 3 hours to get some cool content with you guys. Just hit me up on Instagram. It's the same as the YouTube channel. So without further ado, much love. See you next video.